Hello and welcome to my channel Explore Maths. In this video, we are going to solve a very nice algebraic problem. We have a plus b equal to 10 and a times b equal to 150. Then we have to find the values of a and b. So let us see its solution. So here from this equation we will take b equal to 10 minus a, and we will mark it as equation number 1. And this equation a times b equal to 150 as equation number 2. And now we will put the value of b from equation number 1 in equation number 2, so that here will be a into 10 minus a equal to 150. Here it will be 10a minus a square equal to 150, and now by rearranging the equation, here we will get a square minus 10a plus 150 equal to 0. And as here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation, so to solve it further we will use quadratic formula, so that here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 10, and c is equal to 150. And the quadratic formula for the value of a will be, as we know that, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And now by putting the values of a, b and c, here a will be equal to minus into minus 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 150 divided by 2 times 1. This implies that a equal to 10 plus or minus root of minus 10 square is equal to 100 minus 4 times 150 is equal to 600 divided by 2. Then in next step, a will be equal to 10 plus or minus root of, taking 100 common from both values, here will be 1 minus 6 divided by 2. Then here a will be equal to 10 plus or minus root of 100 times minus 5 over 2, that is now equal to a will be equal to 10 plus or minus, writing both values with separate roots in this way, root of 100 times root of negative 5 divided by 2. Then here a is equal to 10 plus or minus root of 100 is equal to 10 times root of negative 5 can be written as root of 5 times I divided by 2. And now a is equal to, taking 2 common from numerator, here will be 2 and 2 5 plus or minus 5 times root of 5 times I divided by 2. Then here this 2 will be cancelled by this 2. So here a is equal to 5 plus or minus 5 times root of 5 times I. So here we have gotten two values of a1 and a2 are equal to 5 plus 5 times root of 5 times I, while a2 is 5 minus 5 times root of 5 times I. And now using equation number 1, that is b equal to 10 minus a, we will find out the values of b. So here b1 will be equal to 10 minus a1 and b2 will be equal to 10 minus a2. So here b1 is equal to 10 minus a1, we have gotten 5 plus 5 times root of 5I, that is now equal to 10 minus 5 minus times plus is minus 5 times root of 5 times I. Now b1 is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 minus 5 times root of 5 times I. Now b2 will be equal to 10 minus a2 is 5 minus 5 times root of 5I, that will be now 10 minus 5 minus times minus is plus 5 times root of 5 times I. Now b2 is equal to 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 plus 5 times root of 5 times I. So here we have gotten two values of a as well as two values of b. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.